How to see liked videos on Instagram. Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First of all, make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. Once you have got the latest version, simply open it and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. Now inside settings, you need to head over to your activity. In the section of interactions, you can see the option of likes. Move into it. And there you go, in this space, you will be able to see all of the posts and videos that you have liked before. You can also choose to see from newest to oldest. Also select the date range from where you want to see the post that you have liked. Not only that, you can also select the content type. After that, you have to scroll down and you'll get to see more. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.